Question 106. What do we pray for in the sixth petition? Answer. In the sixth petition, which is, "And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil," we pray that God would either keep us from being tempted to sin, or support and deliver us when we are tempted. The Bible verses referenced for this answer are Psalm 19, verse 13. "Keep back thy servant also from presumptuous sins. Let them not have dominion over me. Then shall I be upright, and I shall be innocent from the great transgression." Matthew chapter 26, verse 41. "Watch and pray, that ye enter not into temptation. The spirit indeed is willing, but the flesh is weak." John chapter 17, verse 15. "I pray not that thou shouldest take them out of the world, but that thou shouldest keep them from the evil." Luke chapter 22, verses 31 to 32. "And the Lord said, Simon, Simon, behold, Satan hath desired to have you, that he may sift you as wheat. But I have prayed for thee, that thy faith fail not, and when thou art converted, strengthen thy brethren." 1 Corinthians chapter 10, verse 13. "There hath no temptation taken you, but such as is common to man. But God is faithful, who will not suffer you to be tempted above that ye are able, but will with the temptation also make a way to escape, that ye may be able to bear it." 2 Corinthians chapter 12, verses 7 to 9. "And lest I should be exalted above measure through the abundance of the revelations, there was given to me a thorn in the flesh, the messenger of Satan to buffet me, lest I should be exalted above measure. For this thing I besought the Lord thrice, that it might depart from me. And he said unto me, My grace is sufficient for thee, for my strength is made perfect in weakness. Most gladly therefore will I rather glory in my infirmities, that the power of Christ may rest upon me." Hebrews chapter 2, verse 18. "For in that he himself hath suffered being tempted, he is able to succor them that are tempted."